Hey guys, it's March 9th, 2021. It's roughly 11 o'clock Eastern, so let's see how Clean Spark traded today. There was quite a bit of reprieve with the market today. A lot of stocks are green. The entire seemed like what the market is did pretty well. Let's see. So there's the Nasdaq. So did a pretty good recovery today. So I'm hoping it will continue tomorrow. When I first looked at this stock, when we were down to around, what is this, 2026 area, and us getting up to as high as 28 today, that was a bit concerning because it's a bit quick and furious, to be honest with you. But as I looked at it more, it seems about right because it does match up with the way the whole thing fell in the first place. So that whole thing, so there really wasn't much that happened, I assume, here. This is kind of almost like a non event that happened here. So I'm looking for an upside to be pushed all the way up to around the 31 mark until we start to bounce around and consolidate for a couple days or so. So I'm looking for us to continue moving up and hopefully hit around here and then probably come back down. So that's my understanding of it if the momentum continues. Um, and the surprising thing about this is that the volume was only 1.83 million, where the average volume is 3.21 million. So near about half of what we were at of that, we were able to gain back all the items lost in that big drop that day. So um, I think that's that good support from me. We'll see how it works out tomorrow, indicating that there really wasn't much resistance here, and that you know we will be with a little volume. We will be able to get up back up to here, and then just bounce around there for days to consolidate. So. So let's look for that. Otherwise, we've got these other angles to see if it will provide support. So we're currently at $28 right now. The next support resistance that appeared was around 28.87, and then the next one around $30. Let's see if we have any level 2 data here. Yeah, so we have some level 2 data. Let's see if we can expand that to 30. So it won't go past 10. That's probably because I didn't request it back then. But it doesn't look like it's much. We're not in the thousands or, even above 200. Highest is 133 at 31.50. So that's kind of where we marked it around here. So let's see if we can make it there. That'll be fantastic. So that'll put us back on the way things are supposed to be with them. Because, fundamentally, I believe they're a pretty solid company. So let's look at them on a daily scale. So that's a pretty big green candle. Pretty much wiping out that, almost re-engulfing it. This has a little higher up here. So we'll see if we can make it back up around this area up here, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I don't think there's any new news. No, there is. This is really just indicating the what they've done for the additional miners. I'll have to go through them and see if there's anything really new, but it doesn't really seem like it. And just general uptick. All right. So other than that, guys, we'll continue this momentum and reach back up to here. It is possible because I mean it doesn't look like there's much blocking us, but it could take maybe a couple of days, maybe at the end of Friday to be back up here. So we'll see. All right. So other than that, happy trading and good luck.